Hi, Yabify. How are you? Welcome back. Welcome back. Did you ever find out if your workplace and or school will cover the certifications for you? Welcome in, Siplot. All right, today's Linux. Apparently, the IT enthusiast favorite day. Move my water bottle. All right. A Linux, if you're not following, follow. A Linux administrator copied a Git repository locally, created a feature branch, and committed some changes to the featured branch, which are following Git action should the Linux administrator use to publish the changes to the main branch of the remote repository. Okay, Joshua, thank you. That makes it a little easy. Okay, so we have A and we have C.
A and C.
Yes.
Okay.
What's the answer?
Used to publish the changes to the main of the remote. Okay. So, I mean, the answer is D, which is
D?
push. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, and the keyword here is...
I think you have if I said it.
Okay, so one of it saying that has been committed. Okay, committed some changes to the feature branch, right? So the commit has already been done.
Okay.
Right? And another keyword here is for remote repository, right? So the commit basically, so C.
Hey,
basically what it does is, yeah, keyword, you're right, remote repo, Hamad. Yeah, so the commit, what it's basically saying is that, hey,
Mark Daniels,
I've made a few changes. I want you to add that changes to the next, I guess, next push or next update that I want to send to the remote repository, right? So, which usually will be GitHub or any of those Git repos, right? So yeah, so you keep adding it by typing commit, and then once you're done, you want to push the changes to the remote repository, you type git push to push it up.
Okay. Hi, Joel. Do you go by Joel or just Joel? Okay, my commit is to finalize the build. Okay. Oh, Joshua didn't read the full question, he said. All right, welcome in. This is Tech Talk Women's Taco. Every day of the week is a different certification as he goes to the next question. Today is Wednesday on our end here. So Wednesday is Linux Plus. Tomorrow, Thursday, is going to be Security Plus. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Hi, Miss Kate. Friday is Cloud Practitioner. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Okay, I might will take one more before you go. Okay. Sunday is AZ900. Monday, CompTIA Plus. Tuesday is Network Plus. Hi, Quadlin. How are you? So today, again, is all the Linux enthusiasts. Apparently, if you want to be taken serious in the IT world, you have to know some Linux. I don't know nothing about these things. So the people in the chat are highly knowledgeable people. They range from people like me. I really don't know anything about these things, to the experts in the chat. Okay, so please, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Okay, all I ask is that you're respectful to the people in the chat and to us here, so that I don't have to block you. Yeah, so if you're not following, follow. All my long talk is just to tell you to follow. Okay. Oh, hey, Free Will. Yeah, we took a little break, maybe a couple of days. We are well, Quadley. We are well. Can't complain. All right. But the answer, what was the answer for the last one? Push, right?
Yes.
The answer was push. Somebody did say push. Hey, Bird. All right. A Linux administrator needs to obtain a list of all volumes that are part of a volume group. Okay. Which of the following commands should the administrator use to accomplish this task? Hi, Larry.
Yeah. So this is a little getting into the weeds.
Okay.
Right, when it comes to Linux administration.
We're actually based in the U.S. We are in, depending who's looking for us, but you can find us in New York, Connecticut, New Jersey, sometimes Virginia, sometimes Texas. But it really depends who's looking for us. Hi, AMG. Right on time. Okay, what's the answer?
So the answer would be B.
B.
LVS, list volumes.
Hamad.
So yeah, this is a little, I don't want to say beginner, it's not beginner friendly type of questions.
So why is it on the exam then?
Apparently it is, right?
Okay.
So let Yeah, I mean, it's part of the domain, right? Like
Oh,
how,
thank you,
like
MD.
how Docker or containerization is part of the certification now, right?
Hi,
Previously, it
Nicholas.
wasn't part of it, right? All right. So let me. So logical volume management, which is LVM. Let me just
I'm
talk.
sorry, what was the answer again? I was too busy
The
in the chat.
answer is B.
B, okay. MG, you're invited. You're invited.
So, yeah. So with so this here is talking about what LVM.
Night,
Right?
Hamad.
All right. Good night. Right. Logical volume management. So now, do I have
What are you looking for?
hard drive? I think I have.
Am I supposed to
Just
go get it?
one. That's fine. That's
Okay,
fine.
all right.
So LVM. So the whole point of logical volume management is when it comes to storage, right? Most of the time you have individual hard drives, right? So if you have 1 terabyte of hard drive, right, you buy another one. It's two separate disks, right?
Okay.
But what LVM does is it groups them as a logical volume. So if you have 10 different 1 terabyte storage, guess what? You can use LVM to have 10.
Hi, Emmanuel.
10 terabytes of one giant storage instead of individual 1 terabyte storage for 10 different disks, right?
Okay.
So that's the whole point of logical volume group, right? So you can add multiple disks, and then if the user is logging or if the user is using it, they will see that it's just 10 terabyte. But in practice, it's different isolated disk, right?
Okay.
So in order for you to create LVM, right, you have to start with physical volume. So if you have 10 different disks and you want the disk to be part of the logical volume management system, right, you first of all set it up as a physical volume, right? So you have 10 disks and you want to use, let's say, 5 disks as LVM, right? So you have to run, you have to create make those disks a physical volume, right? So once you finish creating, making those individual disks as a physical volume, then you create volume group. So you are making those disks as part of the volume group.
What's the answer?
The answer is B.
B?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then now, once you're done with the volume group, you create a logical volume out of the volume group, right?
Okay.
So let me see. I think I have one created
only
on my
because
system.
Thimba was saying that PVS display information about physical volumes,
Yeah.
while IVS displays logical volumes, right?
LVS, yeah.
IVS, okay. And then thanks, Yabafai. And then Simba was saying that yes, exactly. The answer will be D in this case. That's why I was saying what was the answer.
No. The answer, okay, says, and Linux administrator needs to obtain a list of all volumes that are part of the volume group. But remember, once you create a volume group, you can create individual volumes from it.
Okay.
Right?
I
So
don't
they want
understand
to
what's going on, but-
list all the volumes, right?
Okay.
That is part of this. So yeah,
Okay.
the answer will be B.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thimba. Hip hop. Hey, how was the studying going? And somebody said they were impressed with your memory. He's a nerd. I'm just here. Whoa, Prince. Prince, you know him? You don't be calling people's governor out here, Prince.
I know. Yeah,
you know
yeah,
Prince?
I know him.
Oh, okay,
way
Prince.
back.
The way that he's calling you by your government is very. I know you direct.
Wow.
Okay.
Remember, but anyways.
Oh, I'll find Prince later. But welcome in. All right, what were you gonna show?
Let's do it.
Okay,
Let
he's
me
gonna
see.
show something.
Yeah.
Are you gonna bring the? Oh, okay. All right. I told you. Welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Masako. Every day of the week is a different certification curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and you're planning on taking a certification, we ask that you stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the questions as well. So today is Thursday. Oh, wow. Today's Wednesday. So Wednesday is Linux Plus. Tomorrow Thursday is Security Plus. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ 900. Mondays CompTIA Plus. Tuesday Network Plus. If you're planning on taking any of these certifications, please do well and answer the questions just to gauge yourself and see how well you're answering, right? The people in the chat, highly knowledgeable people. They range from people like me, I really don't know much about these things, to people who have over 25, 35 years experience in the chat. So do not hesitate to ask your questions. All I ask is that you're respectful to the people in the chat and to us here so I don't block you. This is Raymond. I'm Jennifer. Raymond has over 30 plus certifications, including his CSSP and all his AWS certifications. Yes, there's a lot of certifications, but is a nerd with a very expensive hobby.
I didn't say nerd.
He doesn't call himself a nerd, but I don't see anybody else that want to get 30 certifications, so therefore you qualify as a nerd.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Okay, what is your definition of a nerd?
Exactly. That should be the
what is your definition of your nerd?
Alright, so I think do I have
somebody that likes to learn? So if you're not following, follow.
Alright, 2 5.
What are we showing?
So yeah, I'm trying to run this command. I think I have one of
CSSP.
Hey.
We went on vacation, no we didn't.
I'm trying to run the LVM commands. Right? I think I have it set up in my Ubuntu system.
We were back 2 days now. We were back on Monday and Tuesday. We're back to the groove. We had a graduation plus a party and all those 9 yards. So we couldn't hang. You know, the older you're getting. No, I'm so serious. I'll show you pictures later.
Okay, not found. Okay, so it's not here. I think it should be on. It's just sent to us.
Oh, Eric says extents were tough for me when making VG sites. What is extents?
Yeah, it's a little confusing of a commando. It's very so basically once you have the volume group, right, and you buy an extra disk, right?
To buy it?
I mean. This is all about storage management, right?
Okay,
so you have 10 terabyte or one individual terabyte, right? Individual hard disk, 1 terabyte each, right? You have 10 of those. So you create a volume group, right? So now you have a volume physical volume for 10 disk, and then now you create a volume group, right? You can create a volume group for 2 terabyte or 3 terabyte, right? Once that volume group is what has been used, the ideal option is to increase it. Right, or extend it, right? That's what Watson was saying, right? Eric.
Oh,
so yeah, so there's so many commands out there to make your logical volume ideal, right? I don't even remember every single command. I'll have to look it up. All right, so let me see. Hold on. I think it's on my CentOS. Let me try to find the IP address.
What distro is this?
This is Ubuntu. No. This is just my regular machine. But this was Ubuntu. I logged out. Oh. Give me a minute. I have to look up the IP address.
Welcome in as he's looking for something. Ahmed said respect to the command in the back.
Oh, thanks.
Do you have AT&T? No. Why? Seriously.
I mean, you can have it.
Whoa.
Oh, come on.
Why it's not working?
I'm trying to find.
Just asking. Oh, you're asking questions. Okay, sure. Oh, you work for them. I was thinking, I work on your phone. Oh, Ray. Wait, we don't have AT&T.
No, we don't. Okay.
Unfortunately, yeah, I've never had AT&T.
I did.
Oh, you
when
did?
I was in Virginia military.
Oh, when he was in the military.
And that's why they messed up my area
code. Oh, okay. I've been T-Mobile all my life. They should really give me a sponsorship. Okay. Eric is saying, bro, you need to do SSH/keygen.
Keygen, yeah. I mean, I have it on my regular laptop. This is my streaming. I
should
studio,
show you what the
right?
setup is.
Yeah, you're right. I have that on my system, so I don't have to enter the password multiple times.
Where were you in Virginia?
Fort Lee.
He was in Fort Lee.
Come on, where's my IP?
You can't find something. But welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern Time is go. Oh, your machine is down. Oh, it's not making noise.
It's not making noise.
Oh, the machine is down. I didn't do nothing.
Anyways,
I didn't even come in here today. Right now, it's my first time being in here.
Okay, hold on.
Right? Y'all be fine? I'm telling you, Linux takes forever. Every time we're in Linux, is one question, or maybe the max is 4 questions we've done with.
I mean, it needs a little explanation. That's the whole point.
Okay.
Right?
Oh, okay. So, Ahmed, while you ask, I hope I'm saying your name right, Ahmed. This is Tech Talk Women's Talk, where every day of the week is a different certification. It's curated for people breaking newly into IT. So every day of the week is a different certification. So today is Wednesday on our end. I'm not sure where you're watching from, but Wednesday on our end here. So Wednesdays are Linux night, Thursday security, Friday Cloud Plus, Saturday AWS Cloud Practitioner, Sunday AZ 900. Monday CompTIA Plus, Tuesday Network Plus. So if you're not following, follow. Fort Lee, you mean you weren't at the compound? Who, me? No. I had no business there. CSSP. Absolutely not. Oh, another Ray I work with on his phone said that he recommended you started with IT. Oh, really? You did that good of a job? Check you out. Oh, I'm talking to AT&T. You did that good of a job. So where in IT is was he trying to tell you to go? Okay, Yabify, is AZ 900 hard? How much does it cost?
Oh, come on.
Is it a good cert to start in cloud? CSSP there. Is AZ 900 hard?
AZ 900.
Is it hard?
No, it's not. It's not.
Okay.
It's the foundational certification for Azure, similar to Cloud Practitioner for
AWS.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's just a fundamental. So, I mean, Yabify, I think you're smart enough. Not to say nobody else is smart enough. I'm just saying. Have you looked at it? How much was it? I don't know.
The AZ 900?
Yeah.
Was this? Oh, I mean, it was paid for, but was it
Must
75 or? It's a little. Guys, give me a minute.
I'm sorry. I'm talking. I'm trying to.
Yeah.
Let me talk to you while he's looking for whatever he's looking for. Yeah. Okay. CSSP.
What's CSSP?
Like he's not smart enough. Oh, okay. It was for insurance claim. He was talking to me about Splunk and a couple other things. Oh, right. CSSP. More than 3 minutes. Oh, but so you know about Splunk? Splunking. What is the other one? Don't tell me. Splunk.
Which one else?
Oh, what do you use Splunk for again? I've been only sitting here for like 4 months now. Yeah, but how was it though?
Ray. Okay, so
is it working now?
No, almost there.
Okay.
So it's not Ray.
Thank you. Splunk is for logs. Thank you, CSSP. But welcome in. Apologies for the delay. It's alive, so goes to tell you we don't prep ahead of time. I'm just coming to sit here. If you're not following, follow. Tomorrow, Thursday, it's going to be Security Plus. So if you're planning on taking Security Plus, stop by, okay?
Okay, there you go.
Oh my goodness. You think we're friends? We're not siblings. We look alike? No. No.
All right.
He's my husband.
Okay. Sudo.
You think me and Raymond can be friends? Well, he was my friend at some point. He's still my friend, though. Are you looking Network Plus? Danish Network Plus. We do Network Plus on Tuesdays, okay? Stop by and see how well you answer the questions. And how is the studying going? You started yet? Are we ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, we're ready to go. Apologies for the delay. No, we were friends before, and then we're still friends.
All right. So let's start up. So I have my Red Hat here. Let me type the
what are we doing again?
VPS, right?
Okay.
Physical volume scan. Right?
Okay.
So I have to use sudo, right? VPS. Okay. So it tells you this is what the physical volume that I have, right? And it's roughly 500 gig, right? So now if I type VGS, right? So now I'm looking for the volume, group volume, or volume group.
No problem if you have to go.
Sudo.
How's AI going? Sorry.
Right. So now with the physical volume, right? It was 500, right? And the volume group is also 500.
Mm-hmm.
I could have created 5 different volume groups using the same physical volume.
Okay.
Right? So 100 gig for each. Right? I could have done that, but I used the entire physical volume, which is right here, to create the volume group. Right? So now if I type LVS, right? So that is our individual volumes that I've created underneath this specific volume group. Press enter. I have to use sudo exclamation mark. So yeah, so for those that don't know, right? So I typed a command, and then it's telling me that, hey, you need a privilege access in a way, right? Okay. So I have to use sudo. So instead of typing sudo and then the command again, I type sudo and then 2 exclamation mark, which means we are replacing this 2 exclamation mark with the previous command, right? So if you have a long command that you've typed, right, and then for some reason you couldn't add sudo to it, right, and it tells you to rerun the command, you don't have to type the whole command again. You type 2 exclamation mark and then it brings back the same command, right? Okay. So now this is the list of logical volumes that I have created on this volume group, right? So hope that makes sense, right? So the answer is
the question is not there,
B.
by the way.
Let me hide it here.
CSSP, what machine is this? Ahmed, to answer your question, I don't know nothing about this stuff. Absolutely nothing. He's now the commander because he said command. Oh man, you're funny. CSSP, do tell. CSSP just got a new expensive AI machine in a couple of days. He's gonna start local models.
Is it from NVIDIA?
Is it from NVIDIA?
I think it should be from NVIDIA. Thanks, Yabify.
Yeah. All right, next question, please.
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern time is going to be Security Plus. And then Friday is going to be Cloud Plus. Saturday, it'll be as Cloud Practitioner. So if you're not following, follow again. Hey, Secre. This is just curated for people breaking newly into IT. Or if you're in IT already, as you can tell, there's highly educated people in the chat. Some people have CSSP in their names. Some people don't, but they do have CSSP. So do ask your questions. Ooh, is a Mac Pro M5 Pro? Is that this?
No, this is Mac Studio.
Oh, okay. Oh, let me take a picture.
Mac Pro. Oh, so hold on. So it's a regular.
He said he's building local something.
So it's a regular laptop.
It's not regular. CSSP, he's trying to play.
No, because MacBook Pro is what. It's a laptop. That's what I'm trying to say.
Oh, okay.
All right, so let's go to the next question.
Oh, so it's not going to be easy to. It's going to be. How do you use that for AI?
You
Mac. Okay, you got
Mac
the next question.
I have the next question.
Okay.
Mac is notorious for high resources. So
3,500 CSSP. Are you hiring? Wow, you're really diving into this AI. I want to see what you're doing. Are you going to record so we can see some? Welcome in. If you're not following, follow.
I'll probably do live.
Are you going to do a live?
While you build it.
Do build it. Just don't do it this time so we could join too, okay? Assistant administrator needs to verify whether the built container has the app.go file in his root directory. Which of the following can the administrator use to verify the root directory has this file? This is very tricky. Probably just to me. Everybody else is saying the same thing. It's a laptop with a new chipset. M5 Pro allows you for better AI usage. Okay. You don't have the 6,000 for the M5 Max. I highly doubt it. You just started small. Okay, so we have C. Yeah, before I say B equals command allows you to run a new command inside a running container.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, so the answer is C. No, what are you sorry for? Oh, C. Oh, okay. All right. You meant C. Got it. Okay. So I'm sticking with C too. What's the answer?
So yeah, the answer is C. So system administrator needs to verify whether the build container has the app.go file in its root directory. All right, which are the file? Okay, so for those that are not familiar with containers, right? I don't want to go too deep into that, but in order for you to build a container, right, you have to have an image, right? Most of the time, an image might be it's a YAML file. So basically, a regular file, similar to a text file, right? But it has a definition of how you want your container to be, right?
Okay.
So the base OS, if you want to copy a specific file from your regular machine to the container, right, you can define all those information. So that will be the image, right? And so when you build, you run, start with the file, sorry, right, the file that I mentioned. So now, if you run docker build, right, it's going to build an image out of that file, right? And then once you get an image, then you type docker run container. So now it's going to take that image and then make it a container. So it's 3 different layers, right? You have your regular file, you build an image out of the file, and then you create a container, right? So now the question is saying that you want to see if you want to verify if the image that you built has this specific file, right? So now you still be the answer, right? So the X is executes, basically executing a specific command inside a container. Right?
Okay. Black Codes is asking, is the standard command to list files and folders in a directory, and the execute just runs commands inside the container? Did I read that wrong? Or
so it's
okay, maybe
standard to list files and.
Is it the standard command to list files and folders in a directory?
So the exec, right, is basically a command that allows you to run a command inside a container. And then in this case, we are running ls. You can change this to dir, any command that you want, right? Okay. But yeah, it's just in this case ls to list what.
Oh, ls is oh. Okay. Oh, I thought he meant is. I thought it was a typo. So he meant is ls the stand. Oh, you probably understood.
Okay.
Okay, clearly I'm just sitting here talking. Okay, so got it. CSSP said he's not a baller like you. Okay, CSSP.
He is.
I know he is, low key.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, before it acts as a bridge or the portal that gets you inside the running container environment. Yeah, before I said okay. Yeah, I am ls. Again, I didn't realize what I thought it was a typo. I'm sorry. He knows all the command. I wonder where he learns him. Oh man. No, he doesn't know all the command.
No, I don't.
They're going to tell you he's going to type. Wait. D said the answer was D. It's not D. The answer is C.
C, yeah.
Did you just come in? I think he or she just came in. Let me know if you want him to explain. But welcome. Oh, I should mention also the full video will be on YouTube. Same name behind me. So just in case you missed something and you want a proper explanation, it will be in there. Do I know about Lawyer 8? I don't know if I know Lawyer 8.
Lawyer 8? Which one is that?
I don't know. He seems like he's being funny. I don't know. I don't know.
Well, what does that mean, though?
Is it a joke?
Probably it's a joke, but
I don't know the joke. You have to explain it to me.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know either. Okay, good.
Either, so.
Welcome in. This is TikTok. Do you lessons, of course. Oh no, this is really not a hustle. This is really honestly for fun. This is the thing. So if he doesn't do this, he's gonna try to teach me. And if you can tell, I'm not really much interested in this thing. So yeah, that's why we started this. But yeah, so we don't really sell you we don't sell you anything. For the people that have been here for quite a while, we don't sell nothing. But welcome in though. This is TikTok. This is TikTok Women's Soccer. Every day of the week is a different certification.
I should stick to the questions.
Curated for people breaking newly into IT. If you want tomorrow 8:30 Eastern time is going to be Security Plus. Friday is going to be Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ900. Mondays CompTIA Plus. Tuesdays Network Plus. Hey Brian, the answer. Oh, it's a different question.
Different question.
Oh, okay. Layer 8 is the user layer. So if you say layer 8 problem, you mean the problem is in the user.
Oh, I don't know.
That's funny. I got that. I'm gonna use that. Well, David, not knowing is good. It's good that you're not even trying to guess it. Like, I don't know. You know your strengths and weaknesses.
Yep.
All right. A Linux administrator found many containers in an exited state. Yeah. Which of the following commands will allow the administrator to clean up the container in an exited state? I don't know what that means. Oh, you guessed, Brian? What day for CSSP ideals? There's not enough day in the week. Let's see. But this once we finish the beginners friendly, we'll go into intermediate, then more advanced. So I hope you're not trying to take the CSSP like tomorrow. All right. So we have B, we have C, but C, and we have D, but it seems like there's a little guesses in there. Any more takers? Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern time. We're ready for you, by the way.
Yeah.
Are you getting the next question?
Okay.
Oh, you're running the command?
No, yeah. So yeah, the answer is, I'm running the command. Answer will
Okay.
be B.
Are you going to show the
So
command?
we have C. I'm going to show it in a few.
Okay.
So you have C and then B, right?
We have
That's
C,
it?
B, and D.
Oh, okay. C, B, and D.
Nobody said A.
Okay. So with C, right? It's talking about Docker images.
Why does that one have an asterisk?
Meaning,
that the answer?
Meaning everything.
Oh.
Right. Meaning
What?
everything.
Asterisk means everything in Linux?
mhm.
Does everybody know that? Or is it just me?
Yeah.
I mean, I
So
don't
if
really
you want
know.
to perform a task on everything that is, let's say, yeah. So when you use it, I mean, it's not just Linux. It's general IT. Yeah. Usually used in regular expressions and all that, right? So with C is saying about Docker or images. Remember, I said there's 3 layers to it. We have the file, right? The file that you use to define your image. You run Docker build on the file, and then you get an image, right? And then now you create what you run Docker run container, meaning you creating a container out of the image. So the file, the image, container.
Okay.
So now the question is saying that the Linux administrator found many containers. They are not talking about images.
Okay.
We've passed the image layer.
Stage. Oh.
We are now in a container. So if you say the answer is Docker image, that wouldn't be it.
Okay.
Right.
Deforest is saying that isn't I think he said the asterisk is for SQL, for example, all. So it means L.
I mean, and yeah, that is true. But so select star from the table, right? You can use star. But yeah, it's just a generic word. Generic IT
flag or symbol.
Symbol in a way, right?
Okay.
So yeah,
because
so,
Yabi Fi is saying this the asterisk or star is not a valid Docker flag.
True, it's not. But
Okay.
that's what the star is, right?
Okay, so that's what the
everything.
star means.
Yeah,
But so in this case, ward
Well, there you go. Wild card.
Oh,
yeah.
somebody else said it earlier.
Yeah.
Jordan.
So we have the star. We have dot, right? Which
Okay.
is 1 character.
Okay.
We have question mark, and this is mostly used in regular expressions as well.
And so
Yeah,
not only do you have to learn acronyms and abbreviations, you have to learn punctuations.
Yeah, you have to, and it's really exciting, especially with regular expressions. So
Exciting.
Those that don't
Okay.
are not into or don't know what regular expression is, try to look into it.
Why?
It's used everywhere. It's used
Okay.
everywhere. But yeah, anyways, so that wouldn't be it, right? Images, right? So that wouldn't be it. So D, right? It says Docker RM, right? That states it's not really a valid command. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. So okay.
C and D are not valid commands.
No, I mean, it's not valid command. However, the first 2 commands, right? It says Docker images.
Okay.
We are not talking about images yet, right? So you shouldn't be in select one.
No way. Sorry.
Select C, right?
Okay.
So yeah, so B is the answer, right? It says Docker RM, right? So you are removing what? Oh, and then this as well.
The $sign.
$sign, yeah.
Labs is saying that. By the way, you can use regex
Regular expression, yeah. That's
regex
it.
expression on Google
Google
search.
yes, that
No
is.
way.
Google hacking. I
Hi,
think.
congratulations, Mohammed.
congratulations.
I saw that you tagged Raymond on Raymond.
LinkedIn, right?
Raymond told me that you tagged him on LinkedIn. Congratulations. Yeah, Mohammed passes Network Plus.
Congratulations.
Good job. What's next? Okay.
Yeah, you should do Linux.
It's a fun game for Linux Golf where you try to get small Linux to achieve a result. Really? You know, I'm gonna write these stuff down. I had never heard
Google
of these
Docs or Google
Dorks.
Hacking, right? So yeah.
Google Dorks.
And that is actually Yeah, social engineering. Actually.
Is it really?
Yeah, you use that.
We're getting so off field right now.
Anyways,
but I'm gonna
but
write
yeah,
these things
regular
down.
expressions
Never
really
heard of this.
exciting. It's very exciting.
Why is it exciting?
It
Anyway,
is.
what was the answer, by the way, for the people coming?
Yeah, the answer is B, right?
Okay.
So now Docker RM, right? So Docker RM, and now we have what? $, parenthesis, open, and then closing, and then we have this command here, right? So what this command does is, okay, so running, okay. So now we are looking for containers that are in an exit state, right?
Okay.
We don't really know, but we need a command that will give us that information. So this command is what? Is the command that is going to give us a list of all Docker containers that are in an exit state, right? So once we get that information, we're going to pass this information to the Docker RM, right? So now it's going to remove every single one of them, right? So I hope that makes sense. A little confusing, but that is how. This is a little Linux script, right?
Okay.
Yeah, Bash script type of a command,
Bash
right?
script.
So let me.
Oh yeah. Have you started, Mohammed?
Let
have
me
you
share
started?
my screen here and then run some of these commands. And
Okay. Mohammed's going for Ahmed. I don't understand either. I'm just sitting here for.
yeah. So yeah. Let hopefully this will make sense once I
Okay.
demo it, right?
Mohammed is going for security plus NES. Awesome. Have you started studying yet? Also, how many months are you trying
Time frame.
to? Yeah, thank you. What time frame are you trying to study for to take the security plus? Oh, that's so awesome. Oh, CSSP is asking. You know I haven't heard. CSSP is asking. Have you heard Claude AI and SpaceX have partnered? Will allow more computing for Claude. Claude is becoming unstoppable. Wow, no, I have not heard. I didn't join today. So, where did you guys talk about it today? I forgot the podcast name. I wrote it here. But I am following though. Me and my million posters. I think it's securities, something like that. But yeah, I missed it. Did you guys talk about it today, CSSP? Did you put the next question?
No,
are you waiting for me?
I'm waiting for you to. Yeah.
Oh, I'm so
Anyways,
sorry. You should have told me something.
So let's do that. So let's start with the Docker PS, right? So it's going to list all the containers that you have running, right?
Okay.
But remember, the question was saying that the container that have exited, right? So now if you add -AQ, right? I'm going to run the man page to view it, right? And press enter, right? I see more containers than what I saw previously, which is this right here, right? So this, when you type Docker PS, it gives you a list of containers that are running. However, if you type Docker PS-AQ, right, that is what containers that have exited, right? So containers that are not running, right? So now, if I type Docker RM, right, RM, and let me use this first one. It ends in what? DA, right? Ends in DA. Let me copy that and then paste it.
Does A mean all?
Yes, it should be. Let me just verify. I'm going to run the help command on the man page to verify real quick, but I think it should be all. Right, so when I type Docker PS space -AQ, right, I see all this list of exited containers, right? The first one ends in DA, right? So I'm trying to run Docker RM on it. Press enter, and then run the same command, Docker PS-AQ, right? You see, I don't see the DA anymore because I removed it, right? So now I can go through every single one of them one by one and try to remove them, which will be a hassle. I mean, this is just 10, 15 containers. That is not a big deal, right? Sometimes you might have like hundreds of containers, right? And you don't have the luxury to list all of them, right? So now use the $, and then Docker PS-AQ, right? So now it's going to delete every single information that was returned using this,
Okay.
Right, it will delete every single one of them. Right, so I press enter.
Why is it not deleted?
It's still going through.
Oh, okay. If not following, follow. Tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern Time is going to be Security Plus.
Okay, all right. So let's see. So now let's type the same command, docker ps-aq, enter. Oh, it deleted most of them except for this.
Why?
It was given an error, cannot container, stopped. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so that's 7E. Let me see the 7E.
Isn't it the second one?
7E is the running one. Right,
Oh,
so yeah,
okay.
so it's going to leave the running one and then delete everything else.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so yeah, so the answer is well, B.
It's
Let me hide
spot
this
as well.
here.
Somebody with the swirly sign is asking, is SANS certifications good?
It is, it is. I mean, I don't think.
That's the expensive one.
Yeah, that's the expensive one.
I just know the prices.
Yeah, I don't think they have a good training structure.
Ooh.
No, they don't.
SANS. If you're looking for
No,
somebody
no.
to teach,
Cause
let me tag them SANS.
Because I think it's those type of certification that
Holla at my
validates your experience.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't really teach you.
Mm-hmm.
It just validates your experience. That's it, right? So yeah. So that most of the time, I think, yeah, most of the time their training is like five days long, and yeah, it's usually like 8 hours, and then once you're done, your company register you to take
the
the
certification.
certification. That's it, right?
Okay.
So and then I haven't seen any one out there teaching those certifications, right? So I don't think
they waiting for you.
No, I don't think they give authorization to other people to teach their
Oh, really?
their classes now. So yeah.
Oh.
So it's just 5 days, and then yeah, you have to take the exams whenever you're ready, right?
Okay.
So yeah, I don't think it teaches you anything. It just validates your
Understanding.
your understanding of
Thanks, Yabafy.
yeah. But it's a highly
Sought after.
yeah, sought after certification. Very
Okay.
much.
So go for it, swirly sign. I don't know what Suri asked, but Yabafy answered, so thank you for that. Suri asks, oh, what about CCNA certification for networking?
Yeah.
To go for it?
Yeah, it's a
Are
must.
you wait, hold on though. But Siri, are you new into the IT world, or do you have experience?
Yeah. I mean, if you're new, I mean, yeah, I always recommend getting the Network Plus and then move to CCNA. But if you have some sort of experience, then you can go straight to CCNA.
Oh, you're changing careers now.
Oh.
From what to what?
Yeah.
Why you go to what was the answer for this one?
B.
B. The answer was B. Why he goes to the next one? Welcome in. This is Tech Sacrament Stockway. If you're not following, follow. Every day of the week is a different certification. Today is Wednesday on our end here. So Wednesday is Linux Plus. Tomorrow, Thursday, is going to be Security Plus. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ900. Mondays come to Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay.
So he called me off guard with biomedical.
Wow.
Why? Friday is Cloud Plus, Saturday AWS Cloud Practitioner, Sunday AZ900, Monday CompTIA Plus, Tuesday Network Plus. Okay, so the idea of this is supposed to be an IT study room. Again, if you're planning on taking the certification, please don't hesitate to ask your question. There's highly educated people in the chat, as you can tell, and if they don't answer your question in time, please just ask it again. I'll read it to Raymond to answer. If he doesn't know, he's not going to lie to you and tell you he knows. He's just probably tell you he doesn't know.
And someone will answer.
Yeah, and if somebody else knows, they'll answer you, okay? All I ask is that you're respectful to the people in the chat and to us here, so I don't have to block you. And if you're planning on watching the video again, full video will be on YouTube, same name right behind me, okay? All right. D is D. Oh, okay. Yapify you. Yapify the way he said it. Hey, Kay. All right, so biomedical science to network. I'm so curious as to why that big leap.
Yeah.
Jordan is saying networking is a great career. I'm currently a networking engineer. And you love it. Wow, you love it. It's very rare you hear people say, well, you IT people love what you do. So
yeah. Yeah. I think I'm not sure how many years you are in networking, but you should start branching into security then.
Oh.
Network security to be specific.
Jordan,
yeah.
Network security. Is
Yeah,
that a goal plan of yours, Jordan?
Yeah.
He's 17.
The way he's saying it, I feel like he's going to stay in network engineering for a while.
Oh, so you might as well.
I think you should add security to it.
All right.
Yeah.
Were you planning on doing that, Jordan?
Yeah, you will love it more. And
wait. Oh, that's what CSSP just said.
Yeah.
Networking plus security equals ball. Oh, okay. CSSP agreement. Your boyfriend says it's D. Okay. You take your boyfriend's answer for it then. All right, hold on. Is a boyfriend or best friend? Which one? All right. A cloud engineer needs to launch a container named web-01 in the background mode. Which of the following command will accomplish this task? Okay. I'm going with the lady's boyfriend.
Don't go with him.
No.
Anyways, yeah. So large ISP. Okay, so that would do it. ISP gives you good experience when it comes to networking.
Are you gonna explain to the rest of us what ISP is?
Internet service provider.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, same thing. Cable vision. Yeah, it gives a good experience when it comes to networking. Yeah, and I personally recommend, if you're starting in technology, try to get into working for ISP. It would expose you to a lot.
Oh, okay. CSP was a network architect / engineer that now does cyber.
Yeah.
Interesting.
No, it is. Yeah, and that is why when people just want to say, "Hey, I want to get into security," no, you need networking. You need strong networking. But yeah,
what's the answer?
Anyways,
sorry, answer your question. I haven't answered a few.
Yeah. So
if nobody answers you,
the answer is D. Right?
Okay.
Remember, I mentioned that it's three layers.
Mm-hmm.
You have the file. You run Docker build. Excuse me. Docker build. I'm okay. Thanks. Docker build would build an image for you, right?
Oh.
And then you type Docker run to run a container out of that image, right? So that is the answer is D. Right?
Oh, okay.
If anyone want me to run it, we can do that.
Does anybody want to run it?
We can go to.
Because with the CompTIA Linux would take forever. Oh, your boyfriend works at the elementary school. Does IT for elementary school. Okay, nice. Where is he?
Okay.
Send him the link to join. Or is he watching with you? Hey, boyfriend, what's your name? Siri says, do you have a path recommendation for networking? Currently green. Okay, what's green, the path recommendation for networking?
I mean, with networking, I mean, if you have no experience in IT, I always recommend starting with A+, move on to Network Plus, and then start Cisco route, right? So Cisco, CCNA, CCNP, all the way up, right? That is the the strong part that you can take when you want to get into networking, right? Cisco is one of the best ones. The best ones out there. Okay. But if anyone has any other networking certification that is ideal. So start with
lucrative. Nobody wants ideal. Lucrative.
I mean, in demand. That's it.
Okay, in demand.
That's
it. Okay. Seriously, repeat that again.
So start with A+, right? If you have no knowledge in technology, so start with A+. Move on to CompTIA A+, CompTIA Network Plus, and then move to Cisco certification. Right?
Why are you gonna say Linux?
You don't really. No, I mean. Linux is ideal, but with networking route, okay, you can add Linux to it.
And I'm just saying because you always talk about Linux.
You're right.
Oh,
yeah, it is more
system admin.
Yeah, more system admin. You're right.
So now I'm just asking, but just so now if he decides to go a different route, then he has to go and learn Linux.
I mean, yeah, in a way, all on the job, right?
Okay.
But yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it is more system admin type, but I highly recommend adding Linux if you can, right? But if it's too much, then you can skip the Linux and go to.
Okay, they're saying that only time we mess with Linux is upgrading software or switches in networking. Yeah.
So that's why I didn't really add it to it. But it's good. It's good to have Linux as an IT professional.
Okay. Wait, go back again. I think if I said something. Okay, -D short for detached mode. This ensures the container runs in the background.
Good. So foreground and background, right? So most
That's
of the
what
time,
it means when it's on in front, foreground.
yeah, foreground, background, right?
English.
So by I don't know why they do that, Doc. I don't know why they do that. By default, it shouldn't be. It should be in detached mode, right? Not. So once you type the Docker command, instead of running the services or the process in the background, right? It blocks what? It blocks everything that you are doing, and then just stay there, right?
hey,
To
Kenya.
exit the the
Hey,
container,
dude, how are you?
right? But you have to add -d to it to move it to the background, right? They should have made it a default.
Not you
I don't
telling
know
the manufacturers how to do this stuff.
but I mean, it's just a suggestion.
It was very highly suggested. Defus is saying that Linux handles a lot of the back ends for the service, so useful if you know the AIUI.
Which one are you?
I have no idea.
Which one is AIUI?
Is it the interface?
I don't know.
Defus,
I don't know what AIUI is. If you can
Thank you
explain.
for watching from Kenya. I've never been. I would visit one day, but I have had some Kenyan food. It was in somewhere Virginia, so it's quite nice. Okay, welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Hey, Raphael. Oh, as I understand it, is -AIUI. What is that one? Is that a command? -AIUI.
Yeah, is that a command?
I mean, I think it's a command if it's saying dash, no?
Yeah.
What's the next question?
Yeah,
We've almost been on for an hour, by the way.
Come on.
It's a language. Oh, it's a language. Kenyan food in Virginia. Yeah, I had Kenyan. Isn't that funny?
Is it
Yeah.
Virginia?
Was it Virginia? I think it was Virginia.
Was it?
Yeah. What it was? Oh, no,
No,
I'm sorry.
wasn't.
It was Maryland. It was
Maryland,
Maryland. I
yeah.
mean, DMV is really like borderline.
Hold on. Is it Maryland or North Carolina?
No, it was Maryland.
Are you sure?
I remember. It was Swahili Village.
Oh, okay.
Dude says dirty secret. A Docker container is just a fancy way to run a regular Linux process.
Yep, that is it. Running a process.
Oh, he just means as I understand it. Oh.
I thought it was some sort of AI acronym.
Yeah, forget it.
Anyways.
Thanks, yeah, I'm fine. Kubernetes, okay, good. Oh, he's answered. Okay, which of the following tools is best suited to orchestrate a large number of containers across many different servers? Ooh. You've heard of Swahili Village?
Really?
Really? What Kenyan food did you
heard
have?
of-
It was some sort of meat. It was more like I know the...
Should we do a cooking
I'm
session?
sorry.
A food
I'm sorry.
exploration type of...
I'm
go ahead.
taking over his
No,
IT stuff.
go
But
ahead,
some
go
sort
ahead.
of, I think like it was more like a dibby type of thing, but it was like a grilled meat. And with some plantains. It was delicious. Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead. Unanimously, the answer is A.
Yeah, I say the answer is A,
Okay.
right? The keyword is for orchestrate, orchestration.
Which is
right?
Docker.
No, orchestrate
Kubernetes.
containers, which is Kubernetes. Remember, container Kubernetes is for container orchestration tool, right? And Docker is a container. Podman,
That's another container.
there you go, right? Container.
Oh, you're planning on getting a Kubernetes certification?
Who?
Yabify.
Oh, okay, good. I mean, he already have.
No, Yabify is still in school.
Oh,
Yabify is still in school, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's, you used the one for a school project, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, with
But he still works as
IT support, is
a
that
system admin or something like that, right?
It's IT support system. But
So-
anyways, Kubernetes is actually one of the sought after certifications. So,
Okay.
but you
for
need
it.
strong understanding of Linux, right?
Is
And then-
strong relative?
Oh no, the strong,
Oh.
like Red Hat type of strong,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Yeah, I personally recommend, right? Because
Okay.
all the containers and the Kubernetes will all be on Linux system. Right? I personally haven't seen Kubernetes being run on Windows, right? So it helps a lot
Yet.
with troubleshooting.
Okay.
All right.
5 minutes to an hour. Another question?
So
Unless, how many more questions you have?
configuration. I think we have one more, right?
Okay, good.
Yeah. Ansible is configuration management.
Okay.
right?
All right. And Terraform?
Terraform is
It's a nice name though, Terraform.
IAC, infrastructure as a code, right? To deploy infrastructure to the cloud. I mean, no, not just cloud. You can even do on-premise, and that is one of the fascinating concept that I learned when I was learning the Terraform, right? So most of the time, infrastructure as a code is used to deploy to the cloud, right? So with Terraform, you can deploy it. It's generic, right?
Okay.
It's not really vendor specific like CloudFormation. CloudFormation is to AWS. ARM template or biceps is to Microsoft Azure. Terraform is everything else. So you can use Terraform for Azure, you can use it for AWS, you can use it for Google Cloud, and then you can even use it to deploy on premises, right? So that is it. Let's go to the last question.
Okay. Yabafai, you're still yes, I remember you're still student. That one I remember for sure. I didn't remember what job it was. You want to get so many things, as you should. Why would you not want to get so many things? The sky is the limit.
That is.
I'm telling you, Raymond
mindset.
is going to be 80 years old, still in college.
That's a good mindset.
I'm telling you. Mark my words. 80 years old and still taking certifications. Your path is AZ900, then CCNA, then Security Plus. The rest decide later. Are you going in that order, or should I do it backwards? So Security Plus, is that the ideal path?
I mean, for Yabafai, I think
in that order, AZ900, CCNA, and Security Plus.
Yeah, any order would be good for him. I think he's okay enough.
Okay.
Yeah, he should be fine. He should be fine. But
okay,
he looks like he knows a lot of.
It's like you study a lot.
Yeah, so you don't need any order. You should be fine.
All right. Next question is the last question, right?
Yeah, last
question for the night. Tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern time is going to be, and you'll be still certified senile. I can't. So tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern time is going to be Security Plus. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS. No, Friday is I'm forgetting the schedule. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ900. Mondays CompTIA Plus. Tuesdays Network Plus. Wednesday is Linux Plus. Okay, this is just curated for people breaking newly into IT. If you plan on taking a certification, and if you have any questions pertaining to such certification while we're doing it, please do not hesitate to ask your questions. The people in the chat is highly knowledgeable. And by the way, if you DM him and he hasn't responded yet, he'll respond, okay?
I have a few DMs.
I bet you do. That's why I said that. Because I'm like, wait a minute. Yeah. After this, he'll respond, okay? I want to get started for something light to get the feel. Oh, you want to get something light? Okay.
Light and sweet.
Yeah, so you can, once you catch the certification bug, I don't think you'll.
Yeah.
80. Seriously, I'm gonna screenshot this one. It's 80. I'm both y'all.
Certified.
Right? Yeah, both gonna be there. Keyword is next question. Yeah, so we're getting some Greek lessons here. Okay, keyword is orchestrate. Kubernetes is the Greek word for orchestration. No way.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Are you being funny? I didn't
know that.
I'm gonna chat GPT it right now.
I didn't know that.
Hold on. But a developer reported an incident involving the application configuration file /etc/httpd/config/ you see it. What is missing from the server? Which of the following identifies the RPM package that installs the configuration file? That's a nautical term. Okay, I got DM'd and he told me to go away. Just kidding. You DM'd the CSB. You did really? No, you didn't.
You did DM.
He said
who? CSB?
He said he DM'd you and you told him to go away.
CSB. I mean.
Is Kubernetes a Greek word? Hold on.
Yeah, really? I never knew that.
Do the same is a nautical term. Hold on.
Okay.
Is Kubernetes a Greek word that means orchestration?
No, Kubernetes itself isn't an existing Greek word that directly translates to orchestration. The term comes from the Greek word kybernetes, which means helmsman or governor, someone who steers or pilots a ship. In the context of the platform, Kubernetes metaphorically refers to steering and managing containerized applications, hence the association with orchestration.
Oh, but so it is a Greek word. Oh, interesting. Oh, you learn every day. Anyway, okay. All right, so what's the answer?
All right, so the answer would be
Oh, well, Emma, thank you for your honesty. And what did M say? Whatever M said is I'm going with. M says I have to Google it every time to know. Okay.
so the answer would be A, right? We've seen this type of questions a few times, right? Yeah, but the answer is A. So now it's saying that there is a specific file. So they're talking about RPM, Red Hat Package Manager, right? In Windows, right? In Windows, when you want to install a file, install an application or software, right? You usually get the executables and then just run the executable. And what the executable does is it would expand some sort of files into your system, right? That would allow you to run that program, right? Similar to RPM, package managers. We have RPM, we have YAM, we have
you should remember
DNF.
What does QF mean?
Query file.
Okay.
Right? So the other one says query, right? Q, but it doesn't have the F attached to it, right?
Okay.
So that's the only difference, right? So yeah, so there's YAM, there is DNF, there is apt for Ubuntu or Debian. Yeah, just to mention a few, right? So now, yeah, with Linux, right?
Pacman.
RPM. Is Pacman? Isn't it the same? I think someone said it's.
Dude, are you a Marine as well? Sorry, Dude 42.
Pacman. Is it a package manager?
Is for Arch Linux.
Really? Package manager.
I don't know. I can Google it later. Do you want me to Google it now?
It's okay.
And anonymous. Really? It caught me off guard. I was like, yeah. Says that wasn't RPM replaced by DNF, or is that only for Fedora and not Red Hat?
Yeah, Fedora.
Oh,
Fedora. Yeah.
okay.
I have to cross check that. Yeah, because DNF.
Okay. What are we doing now?
Yeah. No.
Okay.
Yeah, I know it's for Debian based, not Red Hat.
Okay.
But yeah, we can
Okay.
verify.
M says no, Red Hat too.
Red Hat too. Okay.
John is saying DMF
wraps around.
RMP. Okay.
So you can use it in both distributions. Okay.
Okay.
DPKG.
Okay. And then to Debian is a covered. Okay.
I checked Pacman.
Is the primary package manager by Arch Linux,
Really?
and is a derivative. So okay. Thanks, Yabify. You would have done. Thank you for doing it faster than me. Oh, that's good. So the Pacman is
Yeah,
okay.
apparently it is.
Okay, good to
Which
know.
distribution is what's the name? Is it Arch?
Arch Linux.
Yeah.
Arch
Which
Linux.
distribution is that? Is it its own distribution, or it's part of Debian or Red Hat? Which one is that?
And then somebody asked a question. Defers asked, so would there be a different command for querying a folder? You get it.
A folder. Ooh, I don't think there's option for querying a folder. I have to run the help command to see, but I don't think you can query a folder to see which file. No, I don't think so. If anyone knows on top of their head, please let us know. But yeah, I don't think I can query a whole folder to see which package this specific folder is from. Right.
Okay. Oh, yeah, before which one you check? Do tell. Which one, the Kyrian or the if it's Debian based? Dude 46 says Arc is similar to Slackware.
Slackware, okay. So is it like a different distribution? All right. So So now it's saying that there's a file missing, right? So now if the file is missing, how do I know that this file was from a specific package, right? And this is a command I use, right? RPM -QF, right? And then now it will tell you that this specific file came from this specific package, right?
Okay.
So that you can reinstall the package, right?
It's a pure
Oh,
distro.
really? Okay.
What is considered peer distro? This is just for me.
Yeah, meaning it's its own distribution.
Oh, okay. Sound like I shall not say what I thought it was out loud. Okay.
Yeah. So
the answer was
A.
Okay, because there's new people.
Yeah.
Okay,
QF,
not
and then
thank you, dude.
the file that you want to search for.
Okay.
Right.
QF.
All right.
Pure. All right. Tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern time. I don't.
Okay.
Tomorrow, I don't know if 2,000 days is being funny.
Yeah, he is.
Okay. All right. Tomorrow.
Everybody ignore 2,000 days.
2,000 days. If you're not following, follow. Tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern time is going to be Security Plus. Okay, so if you're planning on taking that certification, please do stop by tomorrow as well. I told you Linux takes forever. We think we only did like 4 questions.
Yeah, we did.
See, takes forever. Okay, Wikipedia is still there.
Really?
Wikipedia says is influenced by BSD. Okay. Interesting. I didn't know people still use Wikipedia.
Right?
Difference.
Wiki.
It's 3:37. Oh, thank you for taking the time to join. I appreciate it. All right. My attention span has finally run out for the hour. We'll try to be on for an hour, but just in case you want to watch us again, YouTube, full name, same name, still there, okay? Thank you. Good night.
Right,
Tomorrow,
good night,
8:30
everyone.
Eastern time is going to be...
Security.
I definitely did say Wiki.
But is it still there?
Clearly, because last time I checked, Wiki was like, you had to pay or something because it was no longer, it was a free something.
Oh, no, I think it's more like donate.
Donations.
Yeah.
Yes, it was more of donations.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh,
I
now
think some people donate.
in this day and age of Google and chat, I didn't think,
Wiki.
and Claude. But thank God, Wiki, they need to incorporate AI in there somewhere. But no, they were asking for a donation. Yeah, one time. Okay, so I wasn't sick.
Yeah,
so
so
I
it's
thought they
donation,
were
yeah.
leaving. Okay, BSB
It's
Unix, not
not
Linux.
Linux,
Never think
okay.
BSD is Linux. Okay.
Okay. Thanks, dude. 42.
All right. Good night.
All right. Good night,
Tomorrow,
everyone.
8:30.
See
We'd love to see you there. Security Plus.
All right.
I know you're not gonna ask for no donation. We're gonna come ask some donations from you. Buy more Max supply so we can
Right.
do AI like you.